Hey, this is Rick and welcome to another unboxing and review. This review is going to be on the Presto 12 cup stainless steel coffee maker. It's model 02811. See right there. Hopefully this is going to replace that. I'm sick of that. Too much plastic, too much BS. So, as you can see, this is the box. And we'll go ahead and cut it open. Okay, as we open it up here, looks like you get coffee filters and an owner's manual. And you pull open this, like all the parts. Electric cord. And here's the canister. And that's it. There's not much to it. Looks like we just have to assemble these pieces here and put it together, and I'll try to make some coffee and see how it turns out. Okay, so I've rinsed and cleaned all the parts that came with the coffee maker. Get all the manufacturing processes out of it that could be stuck in there. Cleaned out inside. And it doesn't look like it's hard to put together. Apparently you just take this fill tube and that drops down in there like that. Then you take the cup and you slide the cup right on top of there, and it looks like it's spring loaded. And imagine you put a filter right in here and you're good to go. Okay, so here's the manual, and if you can see that right there, it tells you how to brew your coffee. The cups versus how many tablespoons. So we're going to do a 4-cup just to see how it works out, and it's 4 to 5 tablespoons. Now I haven't used this before, obviously, so we'll try. It's got these paper filters. They look like they come in like a square, and then they have a little hole right there at the bottom. You just slide it down, smash it into your cup there, and then you put your grinds around here, and then fold the paper back over top of the coffee. Okay, so we put the coffee in there, and we folded the filter over top next to the tube. And for what we're doing, it says cups of brew, 4 cups, and it's going to be 4 to 5 tablespoons. So we put 4 to 5 tablespoons in there, which is about 4.5, just to try it out. Looks like we'll slide it over top of this tube here. It goes down like that. The water's already been put in there. It has lines inside there that you fill up, and it'll tell you in gradient increments inside how much water you got to put in. And you put the lid on top, and then it looks like you force this down. It's got little clips, and good to go. We'll plug it in and we'll see what happens. So the coffee pot's been plugged in, and as you can hear it, it's percolating. It's got a little light indicator down there, and I assume that that will light up once it's done. Okay, as you can see, the light is lit now, and I don't see any more steam coming out of the pot, so I assume it's ready to go. I've already got cream and sugar in my coffee there, and I'm going to go ahead and we'll see how this works out. Well, it's definitely hot. You can see the steam coming off of it. Take a look. Wow, that is very hot. It's really hot. Reminds me of old school coffee when I was younger. My mom and dad used to have these things. Old school percolators. Maybe we can bring them back. But that it's good tasting coffee. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. I'll respond. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.